These might be fucking deer flies.
Well, that's not a nice thing to say on camera.
I'm sorry. But deer flies suck. Blood.
And for posterity, because millions of people will be looking at this on YouTube. Where are we? The guy without the accents should say all the things.
Oh, I should say all the things.
Right.
I have an accent too.
Yeah, well, whatever.
It's an American accent.
Chicago doesn't count.
We're in the middle of the Everglades. On some old highway that's not used anymore.
Old Ingram Highway.
Old Ingram Highway used to connect Homestead with Flamingo, which is some podunk town in the middle of the southern tip of the Everglades, which is the mosquito capital of the world. You might not want to be walking backwards.
It's the only way to film.
Well, you could film to the side. That way you don't have to worry about walking into spider webs and clean them all out. And tripping over branches, or falling in puddles. So, look down, this is a road. A paved road.
Well, it used to be back in the 1920s.
There's still paving underneath it.
Yes, it is.
It's just nature
No.
things.
Right outside the road. That's what you see. Okay. And on the other side, there's water. Tons of it. There you go.
Old drainage canal.
This was an old drainage canal?
Yeah.
How do you know?
So it's probably where they got the extra rocks and stuff to build up this up.
Oh, right, yeah.
That ain't
Oh, yeah, that's the old Homestead Canal.